Here are the translations for the assigned translations for Wheelock Chapter 30. So where's our main verb? It is rogawit. Ubi starts a new clause. So everything after ubi is a new clause. So the main clause is just rogawit. That's all there is to it. And that's perfect, indicative, active, third singular, he, she, it, asked. So now we're going to go back to A, and because we need to look, the first part, we need to find the verb in our dependent clause. Well, I should read this first, huh? Rogawit ubi illi duai discipuli dignai haec didicissent. All right, and didicissent is our main verb in the verb of the dependent clause. And that's very clearly what I have here. I have a infinitive, didicissa, that's the perfect active infinitive, plus a personal ending. So that tells me this is pluperfect, subjunctive, active, third, plural. So they might have, should have, would have, we're going to find out, would have learned. See how we'll translate that in a bit. Is there a nominative in this second clause, this dependent clause, to be the subject of didicissent? And there is. It's discipuli, and that's female students. And we've got a lot of adjectives to go with them. Illi, duai, discipuli, dignai. So these two worthy, and then since we can't hear that in English, we should put female, or these two worthy female students, didicissent, had learned these things. Oh, I got ahead of myself a bit. C, is there an accusative to be the direct object? And yes, it's haec. That's neuter plural. These things. So put it all together. He asked where. Rogawit ubi. He asked where these two worthy female students had learned these things. Okay. And then number 3. Has insidias repente exposuit ne res publica apprimaretur. All right, I've got two clauses again. Ne is going to start a new clause. So my first clause is has insidias repente exposuit. So do I have a verb? Yes. Verb? Yes. Exposuit. That's perfect, indicative, active, third singular. He, she, it, exposed. Right? We can see exposed there. B, is there a nominative? No nominative, so we're just going to be, we'll just leave it he. Is there an accusative to be the direct object? Yes, has insidias. These, and so he exposed these plots, these plans, but it has a evil connotation. It's obviously where we get our word insidious. He exposed these plots repente. He quickly exposed these plots. Now we got to start over with our new clause, our ne clause. Ne means in order that not, or lest, in kind of older style English, which we could also have in order that not, but I like lest. He has quickly exposed these plots lest, and then where's my verb? Apprimaretur. And what do I see here? I see an infinitive, and then I see an ending. Apprimaretur. So that's the imperfect subjunctive, isn't it? Imperfect subjunctive. And so the imperfect subjunctive is going to give me lest he quickly exposed these plots lest the republic be oppressed. Be oppressed. So it's passive, right? Passive, imperfect subjunctive. All right. So those are our translations. Be ready to use those on the quiz as far as their parsings and everything, and we'll have our quiz on our normal day.